Welcome to my channel. My name is TaHoney. Today's video is sponsored by Recool hair. They sent me this wig and I'll be installing it with y'all, showing y'all how I got this exact look. I seen this style on Instagram, so I wanted to basically recreate it. So yes, y'all, let's get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy, and don't forget to go shop at Recool hair.
He wanna fuck with her. For me to pull up with her. He can't get enough of her. Damn. What? He wanna fuck with her.
You change overnight. You out of sight. You magnify. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying.
So y'all, I did go in and bleach the knots on this wig. The company did want me to straighten the wig out, but I do not have a mannequin head with me at my house due to me moving. I do not have a mannequin head, so I had to literally go off what I had to go off, which was my own head. I'm basically starting off with a clean, fresh wig after washing it, and I'll basically just be installing it, y'all. These installs are very beginner friendly. I feel like anybody can do these. Very, very beginner friendly. Not only that, y'all, this wig, I'm not sure what was the sizing, but it was like kind of perfect fitting to my head, y'all. Literally, like, I didn't have to do no straps in the back. I didn't have to tighten it. I didn't have to loosen it. Like, it actually was the perfect fit. So yes, y'all, I definitely love this the wig. Let's get into this look.
I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. But you giving me
So before I straighten it, I am going through the hair and rubbing BioSilk in it. If you do not know what BioSilk is basically a product that smooths and adds shine to hair. So basically all the flyaways, all the static, like all the extraness that you don't want when you flat in your hair is basically helps. So I definitely would recommend y'all. I did get it from Walgreens. I believe you can get it from your local beauty supply store. I would not say it's affordable, like it's cheap, but it's like $15. But it definitely does the job. If anybody have any other hair oils that they want me to try, definitely let me know. But as y'all can see, like just look at the flat iron hair and then the hair that's not flat iron with the BioSilk. Like you could definitely tell the difference. So guys, this is the final look. Everything will be in the description box, literally everything for Recool. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you are interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did sing you. We at 50K, we on the road to 100K, period. As I mentioned, y'all, I did not know what style I was going for. I did see this style on Instagram, so I kind of wanted to recreate, but it was a very easy install. Until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to go shop at Recool Hair.
He wanna fuck with her. For me to pull up with her. He can't get enough of her. Damn. What? He wanna fuck with her.